Hello everyone, we are the Group 3. Our topics about barriers and challenge faced by organizations in implementing ISO 14001-2015. I'm Bichipman Arniel C. Tayo, my members Bichipman John Vincent A. Mahifos, Bichipman Robert D. Labares, Bichipman John Harlan Manzano, and Bichipman Leo Jean Gardose. Introduction. The implementation of ISO 14001-2015, an international standards for environmental management system, present several barriers and challenges for organizations. This obstacle can hinder the successful adoptions and integrations of the standards within the organization's operations. For lack of top management commitment and limited resources and resistance in change and the complexity of the standards, organizations encounter by various difficulties when striving and implement ISO 14001-2015. Additionally, integrating the standards with existing management system, making that demonstrating environmental improvement, maintaining compliance, and meeting the expectations of external stakeholders are further obstacles that organizations may face in the implementation process. Overcoming these barriers is crucial for organizations to develop effective environmental management systems and achieve ISO 14001-2015 certification. Discussion. Barriers and challenge faced by the organizations in implementing ISO 14001-2015. First, lack of top management commitment. Second, limited resources. Third, resistance to change. Fourth, complexity of the standard. 6. Integrations with existing management system. 6. Making the demonstrating improvement. 7. Maintaining compliance. 8. External stakeholders and expectations.
Question. Number 1. The lack of top management commitment. One of the main barriers in implementing ISO 14001-2015 is the lack of commitment from top management. Without their support, it can be difficult to allocate resources, establish environmental objectives, and effectively communicate the importance of the standard to employees. Number 2. Limited resources. Organizations may struggle with limited financial and human resources, hindering their ability to effectively implement and maintain an environmental management system. Number 3. Resistance to change. Resistance to change from employees can also pose a challenge during the implementation process. Employees may be resistant to new processes and procedure, which can hinder the successful adoption of ISO 14001-2015. Number 4. Complexity of the standard. The complexity of ISO 14001-2015 can also be a barrier for organization, particularly for smaller business of those without dedicated environmental management personnel. Understanding and implementing the requirements of standard may require additional training and resources. 5. Integration with existing management systems. Integrating ISO 14001-2015 with existing management systems such as quality or health and safety can be challenging. Organizations may struggle with aligning different systems and ensuring they work seamlessly together. Number 6. Measuring and demonstrating improvement. Organizations may find it challenging to measure and demonstrate environmental performance improvements as required by the standard. This may require the implementation of new monitoring and reporting processes. Number 7. Maintaining compliance. Once ISO 14001-2015 has been implemented, organizations may struggle with maintaining compliance in ensuring that the environmental management systems remains effective and up to date. Number 8. External stakeholder expectations. Meeting the expectation of external stakeholders such as customers, regulators, and community groups can also pose a challenge Organizations may be required to demonstrate compliance of ISO with 14001-2015 as a condition of doing business.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the implement of the ISO 14001 to 2015 may present several barriers and challenges to organization. This may include financial constraint, lack of resources, resistance to change, and the complexity of the standard itself. Additionally, indicate support from top management, lack to employee engagement, and the need to extend training can also hinder successful implementation. Addressing these barriers requires a strategic approach, commitment from leadership, effective communication, and investment in resources. Overcoming this challenge can lead to improved environmental performance, increased efficiency, and enhanced reputation for the organization. Dispute the difficulties and benefits of implementing ISO 14001 to 2015 make it a worthwhile endeavor for organization committed to sustainable practices.
Recommendation. Some recommendations for organizations facing barriers and challenges in implementing ISO 14001-2015 include 1. Top management commitment. Ensure commitment from top management to provide resources, support, and leadership for the successful implementation of ISO 14001. 2. Employee involvement. Engage employees at all levels of the organization in implementation process, providing training and awareness program to build understanding and support for environmental management. 3. Data management. Develop effective system for managing environmental data and documentation, including monitoring, measurements, and reporting to ensure compliance with ISO 14001 requirements. 4. Risk assessment. Conduct truth, truth environmental risk assessment to identify potential environmental impact and develop strategies for their mitigation and control.
Continuous improvement. Foster a culture of continuous improvement by regularly reviewing and updating environment objectives and targets based on performance and changing circumstances. External communication. Establish effective communication with external stakeholders to keep them informed about the organization environment management effort. Integration with other management system. Integrate ISO 14001 with other management systems such as quality and health safety to streamline processes and minimize efficiency. External support. Seek external support from consultants, industry association or other organization which expertise in environmental management system to provide guidance and assistance. By addressing this recommendation, organized can overcome barriers and challenges implementing ISO 14001-2015 and achieve successful environment management outcomes.